Oh, sure. That's how you record. Some Angie motherfucking Mima pancakes.
Oh, you are making them here.
See, I'm making a tutorial how to make pancakes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Some Aunt Jemima original. Bam.
Hey guys. Hi guys.
What's up, fellas? You want to get some earth balance? Because if it ain't balanced, it ain't shit.
I think I'm starting to lose weight a little bit. Because all I eat is vegetables.
I'm starting to gain.
No, I'm starting to lose weight a little bit.
You ready? It's all in the pour, you see? Pour, pour. 1, 2, 3. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Kind of the young nails.
Oops, let me fuck it up.
Greg. What the heck is that?
That is a fancy pancake.
It's supposed to be round.
Tastes the same. It's all in the taste. It's all in the taste.
Perfect. Yeah. Why is the brightness so high? There we go. That's the first pancake. 3 or 4 more to go. Right, babe? Yeah. Now what are you doing?
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to figure out this.
It's crooked? No?
It's getting better. I don't know what I'm doing.
No, you're making it worse. Look. Now it's tilted this way.
Así está.
You need to put it this way. Mira. Look. See, it doesn't align with this.
Sí, así está. That's what I'm trying to fix.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Got my sweet potatoes right there that I'm going to make tonight for a fast little snack. And this is the end result. I like mine a little bit burnt, so I tell him to leave it there for a little bit. And this is his. What are you doing, babe?
Nothing.
Coffee?
Oh, yeah, coffee.
And this is for the kids. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and my husband went to go get Chipotle because it's already 2 p.m. and we were hungry. My husband is going to do some work in the garage and I really want to film it because it's something interesting that he's doing to the truck. But I will film a little bit here in my channel and then I will try to film a video for his channel so you guys can see the whole process and everything, because he hasn't filmed a video in a long time for his channel. he's not really into it because he's shy. He's camera shy, that's why. But yeah, so let's go see what he's doing. Okay.
Hi.
He's already scared.
No, I'm just sitting here. He said, so what you're gonna do is do nothing.
So all you're gonna do is do nothing? There's the little truck right here. It's not little? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Where are you going? It's cold. Put on a hoodie.
Huh? You cold?
Put on a hoodie still.
This is called a ladder.
I know, dude.
People use it to get up high places.
I know, I got him top of the house tonight.
Oh my gosh.
Can I see what you bought? What is this, babe?
I don't even know. I don't know how to read.
Hoist?
It's just a hoist.
So he bought this hoist, or whatever you want to call it. And he's going to mount this somewhere in the beam right there. I have no idea. Right, babe?
Yeah.
This is a little overview of hubby's garage. Has a lot of posters and stuff.
Yeah.
Used to have my Mercedes Benz.
Huh?
You can take that out now.
Anyway.
You're not using that thing again, are you?
This thing?
Yeah.
You just gotta weld something in here. I gotta make sure these hooks go through. So you got knife. Oh my god, you've got a knife. I need one of these things. Slice through the finger there.
Can you do it for me?
There we go. I need to weld this guy. So this is going to be hanging like so.
Oh, and then that's gonna hook into it?
Weld it. Okay, that's it. I want to know if it's enough.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So I just have to weld this repeatedly.
Okay.
One more time.
What are you doing?
10th time is a charm.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
First
Ooh,
try.
there you go.
Okay.
First try. That was like the 10,000th time.
Wasn't first try.
I caught it on camera.
You didn't.
I got it on camera, Nick.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. So guys, we are pretty bored, so we are
We're gonna break the rules.
we're gonna break the rules and we're gonna go out because this is freaking boring.
We don't give a
Yeah.
We don't care
I'm with
much,
Buffy.
to be honest. But we're probably gonna go get donuts and then go to Sprouts and then see what else comes our way. So we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, we did.
So we got the assorted ones right here. And then we got the glazed. It was buy one, get one free. So we got both. We're gonna eat and then I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so right now I'm here in my little nail studio because I am practicing. Let me show you guys what I have accomplished so far. So I have this one right here. This one is like a marble. Glitter and then marble. It didn't come out as neat as I wish it did. The first time it came out really nice, but I dropped the nail and I messed it up. And then I tried camel right here. I don't know, I really liked it. And these little crystals, they turn colors. Right now they just look blue and orange or whatever, but they turn green as well. And then this one, I tried doing a little butterfly. I'm not good at drawing, so as you guys can see, it's not the best butterfly I've ever seen, but it's pretty cute. And this is the last one. I've never tried foil, so I tried it this time and it came out not so bad. I really liked it. Right now, I have my mess right here. I don't know why it's not focusing. I have my mess right here, my computer, and my little model over here. I'm trying to do like a, I don't know if it's going to focus, a Louis Vuitton inspired. But let's see how this comes out. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. Well guys, I am done with the Louis Vuitton design and this is what I came up with. I actually really liked it. Let me go to a different lighting so you guys can see right there. So I really like it. I'm going to post it tonight. So right now I'm just going to go to sleep and then I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys. Well, that was yesterday's video.